And I'm learning. Hello, sir. What are you doing here?
Sir, I'm conversation of my thing. Okay, so how you do feelings after coming out of this? Sir, my feelings is so good. And you?
Masjid alhamdulillah kemun figure dekai then at PC.
Okay, so what's your full name, sir?
My full name is Abdullah Muhammad. You call me Indriya.
Oh, so where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka.
Okay, we are from Joseph. So, sir, what keep you learn?
Sir, my full name is Musabik. And what's your nickname? Sir, my nickname is Musabik. Book of Musabik. Okay. So, do you like the fantasy environment? Yes, sir. And this fantasy environment is so good. I like to live fantasy. And I study because I go to abroad and my BSc complete. I want to, my dream country is Europe. That's why I good plan. I hope to good plan here, and I go to that.
Yeah, it's like you go Australia. That's why we have counting fantasy and right now learning. Yes, sir. So, what do you think? English fantasy environment is good for every student, especially as you are to learn English.
Yes, sir. Obviously, I know the answer, and I hope I feel that the inherent are also to good. Other after day ago. So, do you believe that after coming English fantasy, anyone can learning English because of environment? Yes, sir. Obviously, I believe it. And English fantasy also teacher is so awesome and very beautiful.
Very friendly. And also, always we are trying to assist you so that you can enhance the English level. Yeah, we are so caring. So that's why you learn English. So okay, stay with English fantasy. I think within a short time you will be good speaker and you will fulfill your dream. So okay, thank you, sir.
Please also pay for me.
Okay, I will pay for you, sir. For you. Thank you, sir.